This is going to be a short video on how to use boundaries with PDF files. I'm going to start by drawing my boundary. First, I'm going to give it a name, boundary 1. I'm going to put it on the layer boundary. I'm going to start my clipping here on this match line. Alright, now look at the shaded area to make sure you're not going to lose any information. I'm going to go to my View Filter Manager and turn off the page that I just did. If you'll notice, that right there is your overlap area that you're trying to clip out of each page. Alright, now I'm going to go back to Boundary. Create a new boundary called Boundary 2. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start here on this match line. Same thing, I'm going to make sure that I'm not losing any information in my shaded area. Once you're satisfied with that, close this command and go to your takeoff menu, Boundaries. I'm going to start with image 2. Now it's asking for the boundary line. I click this, click Add, and you'll notice this is automatically trimmed out. Now I'm going to turn this one off. Go to my first page and tell it this is the boundary. Make sure you do not have two boundaries selected right here. So I'm going to come back, click the first one, click Add, now close. Now if you come over to your View Filter Manager, turn your boundaries off, now you can see how your PDFs line up. You can notice how the lines join with each other.